Sunway Photo T1A20 Heavyweight Tabletop Tripod. It's an all-aluminum precision tabletop tripod, and when they say heavy-duty, it has a load capacity of 25 kilograms. That's 55 pounds in freedom units. So let's take a closer look at this heavyweight bad boy in this review video. Alright, so we have the Sunway Photo T1A20T1 photo tripod here. And let's just take a look at what you get inside of this case here. We got some manuals, the T1A20, and we have a warranty card. We've got some tools, some extra screws, mounting screws, and a cleaning cloth. And we have, oh, this is a multi-tool. Nice, this is a nice design here. Let's take a look at that. That's pretty cool. Sunway Photo DW01. So we've got a little hex key there, flathead, and a smaller hex key, as well as a little measuring device. And the rest, well, I'm not sure what this is for, but it looks pretty cool. So we have our T1A20 tripod here, and this is a substantial aluminum, feels like aluminum tripod here, with a pretty beefy, this is the XB52 head, so a 52 millimeter ball head. Quick release plate, or in this case Arca-Swiss compatible. We can see here that it does have a leveling, a spirit level there. Looks like it also comes with a little pouch in here. I thought perhaps that was a little hammock pouch, but no, this is for carrying your tripod itself. And the tripod, and oh, it does come with padded feet, so you can just turn it around. If you don't want the spikes, you can turn it around and you can have padded feet. And you can lock the legs out into position with this lever here, then all the way out. And you can actually extend these out to 90 degrees, so you can have a fully flat tripod if you really do need it, as low as possible and as much stability as possible. So the legs are actually resting on these feet at the bottom, on the inside of the legs. So this is a very robust, very well-built tripod for filming, shooting, and by shooting, both film, video, and I guess potentially, if you wanted to, you could use this as a tabletop rifle rest. So that's just something you can consider here. Well, you know what? I've got a project that I'm working on that would be a perfect test for this tabletop tripod. So let's pack it up and take it out to the range. Before we get started with the test, I'd just like to take a quick break here to talk about this episode's sponsor, Aura. For the cost of just a VPN, I'm getting a whole suite of security services, including $1 million in identity theft insurance, and they're even removing me from those damn data broker listings. Use my link, aura.com/moondog, and you can try them for 14 days, free. And if you use that link, you're helping to support this channel. You know, identity fraud is a real thing, and with AI, it's all too easy to spoof your identity. That's why you should try out Aura. All right, let's get back to the tests. Alright, so I've taken it out to the rifle range, and I've got the T1A20 tripod here set up at a rifle bench at 100 yards, and we're testing out these really bougie Maven B5 field binoculars, and if you'd like to see the review of that, I'll include a link to it in this video's description. You'll see in the footage that these tripods provide a rock-solid platform for using these binoculars as a spotting scope. So if you're interested in picking up the Sunway Photo T1A20 tripod, you can find an affiliate product link in my full write-up at moondogindustries.com. You can find a link to that article in this video's description. And of course, if you use that affiliate link, you're helping to support this channel. And of course, you could always help by simply hitting the like button, and you can Subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. It just takes a second. It's absolutely free, but I appreciate you taking the time to do that, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. You be safe out there. Moondog, out. Hey, I'd like to know what you thought of this video. Leave me a comment or chat with me on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, MeWe, Instagram, or Locals. And if you want to see all of my videos, go to moondogindustries.com.